Let's learn about 0 and its position relative to other numbers. Interpret the inequality 0 is less than 5. Describe and draw their positions on a number line. Let's get a number line here. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, -1 and -2. Let's go draw the positions on the number line. 0 first right here. We got the 0, and then we have a 5 right here. So they tell us that 0 is less than 5, meaning it's more to the left than 5. So 0 is less than 5. It's to the left of a positive 5. And that's how we can describe where it is on the number line. 0 is less than 5. 0 is to the left of 5. I hope you learned something here about 0 and its position relative to other numbers. And as always, thanks for watching.